just like that. Okay, what we're gonna do here, we are gonna put the ID and number of your student, and then we will use their numbers instead of their names. So we can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Okay, so imagine that is these numbers. So we are gonna have average. Okay, average will be there, and then this one will put run. Okay, so we are gonna draw a table. Okay, so this is what we have. First, remember, average, it is the sum of all the subject total divided by the number of the subject. If there's around 5 subject, their total, if they have a total of 200, you'll divide them by 2. Okay, just like that. That is how we can get the average. So here we are gonna put a random number. Let's put 78, 65, 55. Let's put 90. Let's put 45, or we can simply 45, and we can put maybe 50. Okay, just like that. So just imagine these are simply the average. All right, so because there might be a lot of information there, like test, assignment, or attendance. Okay, all their marks, you accumulate them. Okay, and then you get the average. It might be the average semester of that particular year. So these are the average normally. So now we have to move on to the rank. When we are calculating the rank, remember, we have averages. We are going to compare each student average with the rest of the student average. Okay, so here we can put is equal sign. Equal sign. Before we do that, we can simply go direct into this thing called fx. When you point your pointer there, or your mouse pointer, it will simply show you a word or a sentence insert function. So you can simply click this. So this is what will happen. It will show you what we have there on the Excel sheet. So if you can't see rank function here, all you have to do is that you select this and you erase them, and then you type what you're looking for. We are looking for rank, and then you can search for it by clicking go. So rank, and then you say it okay. So this screen will pop up for you. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. First, we have number, we have reference, and we have order. What we want to do first is number. We have to select the number that we are going to compare the rest of the number with, like the average, the first average, or the average for student number 1. So we're going to click this thing. Now it is under E4. Okay, remember this one, E4. So E4, we're going to jump that, we go to reference. Okay, we are comparing this student with the rest. Reference. Under reference here, we're going to select all the student, including the one that we are using as a number to compare the rest of the student with. We have to select all of this. You are seeing that. I'm selecting and leave. Now you can see it select all of these. You can see it also here: 78, 65, 55, 90, 45, 50. Okay, so the next move is this. We have to go direct into order. This is order. In ordering your grade or your student average, you have to understand there's a way that you can sort them, either by descending. If there's a descending, start from high rank to 0, okay, or you have to start the rank from 100 or to the high number to 0. So let's move on. We can simply click this. Okay, we can drag this thing down like this. So we can see that it's say 2, 2, 2, 78 is 2, 65 is rank 2, 55 is 2, 90 is 1, 45 is 2, and 50 is 1. That's something that we have to change to bring us the correct. We can simply click this and we are going to put $sign here. $sign before $sign, and then we're going to put $sign and then $sign. We are going to leave the first one, this one. Okay, now we can simply click this. It say 2, 3, 4, 1, 6, 5. Okay, remember 78 is 2, 65 is 3, 55 is 4, 90 is 1, 45 is 6, 50 is 5. They are not in the right order, so we are going to click this thing again and we're going to put the order by telling us which number is higher or which number is lowest. So if we put 1 and enter, this ordering will indicate the low average as the rank number 1. Like 45 is the lowest average on this average. So 1 rank is 45 when we are using 1 as the ordering of the rank that we are calculating. So we are going to change this, but before we change that, remember the high rank, the high average will be the last rank, which is 6. So 90 is the highest rank, but it indicates that it is the last average, it is the last rank, which means that when you are ordering them by 1, you are telling the computer that the high average will be the last rank and the low average will be rank as rank number 1. So we can change that by simply pressing 0 to start from descending or from the highest to the lowest. The high will be ranked as number 1 and the lowest will be ranked at the last rank. We can simply enter that and we do this. So 190 it is number 1 rank and 45 is the lowest, which is exactly the last rank, number 6. So now we can sort them by 1. Sorting, we can go to sort and we have to start from smallest to largest like this. So 90 is rank 1, 78 is rank 2, 65 is rank 3, 55 is rank 4, 50 is rank 5, 45 is rank 6. So thank you for watching. This is how you can do the ranking system. Bye.